10th class student, exercise 13.4. Question number 1. One is a drinking glass. Drinking glass will be height of glass is height will be middle is 14 semi. Diameter of both end, upper end is 4 semi and lower upper base and lower base 2 semi. First term height is measure of drinking glass height is 14 semi. Diameter of upper end you can call the upper base and lower base is equal to 4 semi. Radius will be upper radius will be d naught by r1 4 upon 2. 2 divided by 4 is 2 semi. Diameter of lower end 2 semi. Then radius will be upper lower radius d naught by r2 2 upon 2 1 semi. Find the capacity of glass. Capacity, the volume of drinking glass will be 1 upon 3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2 into h will be formula of the to find the volume 1 upon 3 22 upon 7 r1 value is 2 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 40 7 2 ja 14 1/3 into 22 into 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 2 1 are 2 into 2. 1/3 22 into 7 into 2. After multiply 7 2 are 14, 14 multiply 22, 20 14 2 are 28, 30. Divide by 3, 102 upon 3, 2/3. Semi-cube will be volume or capacity of the glass. First question is complete. Second question is slant height, four semi, and parameter of the upper end and lower base. Question number 2. Measure of first term. Slant height, mean L is equal to 4 semi. Perimeter or circumference, perimeter of upper is 18 semi and lower is 6 semi. Eighteen semi, 2 pi r equal 18, r1 is equal to 18 upon 2 pi, 2 9 is 18, 9 upon pi, semi will be radius of the upper base. Perimeter of the lower base is equal to 6 semi. In given question, 2 pi r2 is equal to 6. R2 will be 6 upon 2 pi, divide by 2, 3 ja 3 upon pi semi will be lower base. Radius of lower base, CSA of first term will be pi bracket r1 plus r2 into L will be formula. Pi value R1 value 9/pi plus 3/pi. L value is 4. After LCM is pi into 4, 9 plus 3. After LCM, pi divided by 3, pi 9 plus 3, 12 into 4, 12 4 ja 48. 48 semi-square will be CS of the first room. Question number 2 is complete. Third question is given figure. Save the a cap, a phase cap upper base is short and lower is. Question number 3 is height is 15 cm. Open radius is 10 cm is open and 4 cm is upper base. This time upper base is radius is. Question number 3, measure of cap. F is slant height U mean L is equal to 15 cm. R1 is upper base and lower base. R2 lower base is open, radius 10 cm and upper is not open. Area of use material to make the phase. is equal to CSA of first term plus area of upper base. CSA will be pi bracket R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R1 square. Put the value. Pi is 22/7. R1 value is 4. R value is 10. L value is 15. Pi value 22/7. R1 value is 4. 22/7 into 4 after plus 14 plus 22/7 into 4 into 4. Multiply by 7 to the 14, 15 to the 30 upon 1 plus 16 multiply by 22 upon 7. LCM is 7, 42, 46 plus 352 equal 2749. Divide by 7, 710, 2/3. Semi square will be use of material. Thank you.